Their heart rate is stable.
The worst is over. Now comes the road to recovery.
Good thing we got there in time. Was that movement?
Light? What happened?
Hey, can you see me? Zeke, come here.
Are they awake? Suppressor seems to be fine. No need to worry.
Where am I?
Your suppressor has been replaced with a new energy cell. Feeling better?
Much better. And you are?
That's Shirley, and I'm Zeke, her brother. I'm in charge of this shelter.
You saved me?
Of course. We found you passed out behind the shelter and...
Your suppressor was out of power, so we brought you in and fixed it.
This is Astra Shelter, area code HT501.
What's your name? And what are you doing all alone in the mountains?
I don't know. I can't remember.
This person was all bruised up and passed out in the mountain. Probably a lost scavenger.
A lost scavenger? Well, tough luck. The Aberrants built a nest in the machine cemetery. You can stay here until you recover your memories. We did a full scan of your body and everything seems to be... Go get yourself cleaned up. You look like a mess. Shirley, go show the newcomer to Celine. I've already informed her.
Got it. Hey, newbie, this way. Not too shabby, am I right?
Did both you and Zeke grow up here?
We have been living here since we were very little. There weren't a lot of people back then. Everyone chipped in to build this place little by little.
Hmm?
Celine is ready to leave. You may proceed over at any time.
This is...
Greetings. I am Mia, a fourth generation smart servant.
Mia's my assistant. Zeke found her in one of the ruins. But its language model is a little buggy, so it talks funny sometimes.
I apologize. I will do my best to make my speech intelligible.
Oh, you're fine, Mia.
Come with me, please. We should not keep Miss Celine waiting.
battleship up ahead? That's the Bethlehem. My brother said it's been here for 50 years.
50 years?
Yeah, when the Cataclysm took place, an Omnium explosion destroyed an entire fleet that was patrolling nearby. Only the Bethlehem managed to land on the island. The shelter was built around its remains.
Huh?
Hey, that's Celine! Let's head on over!
So, you're the one they rescued from outside?
Hello. I'm here to...
You don't seem to be older than Shirley. The outside world must not have been kind to you.
Celine, let's help our newcomer get settled in.
Yes. Yes. Nothing like some brand new clothes, am I right?
Thanks for your help.
Anyway, now that's done, you can really show the newcomer around the shelter, see if anything needs help.
Leave it to me. I think she likes you. This is the control room. You can monitor every nook and cranny of the shelter here.
Morning, Shirley.
Morning, Uncle Paul.
Is this the one you rescued? How are we feeling today?
Much better. Thanks.
Staying alive is all that matters in times like these. Consider yourself lucky.
Uncle Paul, is that alcohol I'm smelling?
I might have had a drink or two last night. I was just going to retrieve the environmental monitoring data.
You're still hungover, aren't you, Uncle Paul? Fine, I'll do it. Wouldn't want you to fall into the water again like last time.
I'm detecting some very powerful interferences. These guys came prepared.
Huh? You want to do it?
That's great. Take the chance to look around the shelter, and you won't get lost with the drone guiding you.
Collecting water sample data.
How does it feel to fly? Don't worry, just hold on tight. Trust me, I'm an expert.
Retrieving records. Shirley crashed into a river during her most recent flight.
That was an accident, I swear.
Collecting plant sample data. Collecting rock sample data.
All done? Let's head on back then.
Collecting geological sample data.
That's enough data samples. Good work.
Come back and I'll show you what the other places look like.
Good job. I'll take the data to Alfred. Anyway, it's all thanks to your help today.
Analysis. Long-term consumption of alcohol is hazardous to physical health. Please follow your dietary recommendations. Reduce alcohol consumption and exercise regularly.
You said it, Mia. Uncle Paul, you'd be smart to listen.
All right.
All right, moving on. I'll take you to meet Fenny. Fenny!
Shirley, what brings you here?
Got someone to introduce to you.
Hello.
Oh, I heard about you. How are you?
Zeke replaced the cells in the suppressor. Nothing to worry about. Oh, I almost forgot. This is Fenny. She's like my big sister, but she's only older than me by 2 days. She's the best chef around. You must try her food.
I can cook you anything you want. As soon as the space rift is fixed, then I can get fresh ingredients.
Fix the space rift? No biggie. We can do that. Let's go. About the space rift, it's best if my brother doesn't find out, okay?
Log. Records show that the shelter had 8 accidents this month, and Shirley was responsible for...
Cut it out, Mia. TMI. So, this is our space rift. I don't actually know. Uncle Paul says it uses Omnium to break things down for transmission, and...
Huh? So am I still me if I was broken down and reassembled?
I I used it a couple of times, and I still feel like me.
So, how are we going to fix it?
The energy conversion filter's broken. That's all. We can just replace it.
That simple?
That's simple. Uncle Paul taught me. Could you help me grab the new filter over there, please? I'll check on the operating program. The backup filter is in the little building over there. Do you see it? Just install the filter and we're done. Will you help me push the filter in? I think something might be stuck.
Huh?
Got it! Easy as pie. Now we just need to test it to make sure it's working fine.
Test? On what?
On us, of course. But you can only travel from a space rift to another space rift that you've activated. Seeing that you only have access to one space rift, leave the testing to me.
I'm not sure that's such a good idea.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. Be right back. Everything's fine. I'm here at Banchesport and... Ah! What are Watchers doing here? Get away from me! No! I hate bugs! Ah!
Hostile units detected. Transmitting weapon data. Prepare for battle. Warning. Powerful and hostile energy detected.
Where are the monsters? Are they gone?
They're gone. You're safe, Shirley.
Phew. Are you hurt?
Log. There have been a total of 9 incidents this month in the shelter.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really scared of bugs.
How did you run into it?
There's something wrong with the Space Rift's locating system. I was transported to Banjas Beach, and that's where I saw them. The locating system's infrastructure is really high-tech. I don't think even Uncle Paul can figure it out.
Perhaps we can ask Franz for help.
Oh yeah! Why didn't I think of that? Franz from Hycros. He's super smart. Come on, let's go find him.
Warning. Space Rift malfunctioned. Normal operations suspended. Mia should stay here to warn others.
Good point, Mia. I'll leave it to you then. Careful. Don't let my brother know that we're sneaking out.
Is the person you're looking for just outside of the shelter?
Not much further. Come on. See that huge boulder over there? The one on the other side of the Blue River.
Yes, I see it. But it looks like some sort of projection.
Zeke said it's the entrance to a facility from the old Federation days. They have a Soleochrome system set up to disguise it as a boulder.
What's in there?
I don't know. Zeke doesn't allow me to get close to it. He says it's dangerous. I bet there's something super important in there. Hycros specially sent Franz here just to investigate it. Get ready. We need to get to the other side of the river. Come on, let me show you something fun.
What is it?
It's a long way to get down this cliff, so how about a shortcut? Don't worry, just do what I do. It's totally safe, I promise.
Hold on. You're not going to...
That was fun, wasn't it? We're gonna cross the river. You do know how to swim, right? How about a race? First one to the other side wins! Okay, I'm counting down. 3, 1! Franz!
Oh, well, if it isn't little Shirley. It's unlike Zeke to let you come this far out.
Zeke's busy, so here I am. We need a favor. There's something wrong with the Space Rift's locating system, and you're the only one who knows how to fix it around here.
Oh, no problem. I'll take a look on the way back.
We were sort of thinking if you could help us maybe now? We're kinda in a hurry.
Well, but I'm trying to fix this deconstructor.
Deconstructor? Is that the thing that can eliminate the simulacrum system?
That's right. However, this antique stopped working just when I needed it.
Will it be difficult to fix?
It's just a short circuit, but some of the internal components burned out. It'll probably take me some time.
But Fanny is trying to get to Banges. We're running out of food in the shelter.
Fine. I'll go fix the spacecraft and come back to this later. Stay here, and don't cause any trouble, okay?
Don't worry, you know me. I may have a way to get this machine working again.
Surely, you're not suggesting...
You want to know what's inside too, don't you? If we get this deconstructor working, we can take a peek. This deconstructor is an old model manufactured by Banges Tech. It's not too complicated, so I think I can fix it. From the looks of it, I think the power source probably burned out.
So, what should we do?
Well, someone should stay here to watch over things. Can you please go to the Astra Omnium Tower? There's a scrapper there. Ask it if we can borrow its backup power source. We're friends, so just mention my name and it'll definitely help us. But hey, it's dangerous to be far away from the shelter, and it's quite a journey there. So be careful, okay? I know! Take my jetpack! You'll get there way faster. Just be careful with it. And if anything dangerous happens, just run. Use the jetpack to fly over difficult terrain. Give it a shot. That's the Omnium Tower, but the surrounding area belongs to the hyenas. Be careful.